know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. So today we are doing the bumper install on the El Camino. We got Silky Smooth Gang up in the building. All the kiddos, y'all say what's up? Yeah, so yeah, we trying to get this car together for the summer. We're gonna be dipping, well not dipping, but we're gonna be doing the bumper's goal on the El Camino. So y'all gotta stay tuned with this. And be honest, let me turn this fan off, kinda loud. Be honest, I wasn't gonna even turn y'all on for this because it's been like a long process trying to get this stuff done. So as y'all see right here, they sell you just the bumper. So like the skeleton, all of this you gotta keep. So you gotta break all these old bolts and hope they come loose and take that off. So we're having trouble with that. I think I'm fixing to have to get the grinder out, but I'm not gonna bore you guys with that part. I will show y'all when I'm getting ready to put the new bumper on, and then we'll get straight back into it. I appreciate y'all rocking with us. Alright guys, so we are going to get ready to throw the bumper on the El Camino. Let's go get it. And I know my shirt's inside out, don't tell me. But anyway, so we got a car show Saturday. Today is Thursday night. So we're gonna go ahead and put the bumpers on, and then we're gonna paint them gold while the bumpers are on the car. Cause it's gonna be like a last minute deal. So y'all see the bumpers right there. We got some hardware right there. Get ready to just throw this boy on. And I do got drop cloths and all that stuff. We're gonna cover the whole car up and paint these bad boys. But anyway, so it's gonna go on just like this right here. That's brand new, just a little dusty. It'll be like that. I should have moved everything out of the way. But y'all drop down in the comments, let me know what's going on with y'all's vehicles and everything like that. I like to hear that stuff and a little insight and everything everybody got going on, man. Especially all you guys that support us. You know, we love to hear back from you guys. So I don't know if y'all can see that. Can you see that? So if y'all think this thing just bolts up, just 4 bolts, no. The bumper they gonna sell you is the outer piece. This is the inner piece right here. So you gotta get this all lined up, squared away, and it's gonna be fun. Real fun. Yep. It's gonna be fun. Yeah. We need to shoot. What? Switch the sizes up on me. Golly. Let's see, this one will work. I was gonna put some washes, but I don't think I'm gonna have room for no washing on there. I barely get my finger in there. Oh yeah, I can't even get in there. Let's try this. I'll put an adapter on there. But I think this is gonna look awesome, guys, when we get done with it. Yeah, we ain't gonna be able to put no. Alright, we got one on there. But you wanna make sure you got, no, we should have did. Let's make sure that bottom is lined up. I think you got play on both sides. So we'll come up. And it's hot in here. We can't turn the fan on because we're trying to let y'all hear and see everything that's going on. So let's see what you got here. I'll just put one on this side. See how that moves? So you gotta play. I just hope they gave me the right size. So I don't think they did. I really can't see. I don't know if that's the right size. Alright. Give me a minute, guys. cause they gave me some new clips. I don't think those are the same as the old ones. Let's see, cause these are the old ones. Let me see, or it just ain't lining up right. I should just put the new clips on there. Yeah. I don't think. Yeah, it'll work. But put the new ones while you got them. So, I tell you what, guys, I'm gonna turn y'all off, turn y'all back on. We're gonna put all the new clips on the bottom and kind of just get this thing ready to go up. But just a little overview for you guys. So, on the top, you're gonna have these. These are gonna go in there. Then it sits in those little squares, those tabs. And then these go on the back of there, so it's 8 of those. There's gonna be 8 of these and 8 of these to get everything mounted up. So we'll get right back with you guys here in a minute. Alright, so I figured out it's easier to lay it like this and get everything on there. So we got that one in. I'm not gonna do the new tabs because it's gonna take too much time. Nothing really wrong with those tabs, but there ain't nothing wrong with using new ones either. So if y'all wanna use new ones, go right ahead. But I'm on like a deadline. I'm trying to get this thing done. So the ones that won't go, we'll put new tabs. So, like I said earlier, you got 8 right here. You got 8 over there. You gotta get all these on there. We already lined it up. Yes, sir. Man, look, and then look at this. Can you see how crooked that is? It's made like that. So we're gonna have to put that one like on the side somewhere or something. That's gonna look ugly. Alright, well we getting there. We got them all loose. We're gonna put this ugly one. Man, I don't know why they gave me this ugly one. I'm gonna put that ugly one at the end. It's shaped weird. That wouldn't even go in here. Alright, we got that one started. That all started. So we're gonna tighten them all up. Alright, so that is how you put a G-body bumper together. So now, after you're done with this, you're gonna run your lights through these holes right here. Flip it over. So you run your lights through these holes, and then you go ahead and go up to here and mount your four bolts. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on here in a minute once we get the wires and through the holes, and then we have it sitting up there. So see y'all in a minute. Alright, now I gotta get it up on me. I got WD-40 ready. And we're gonna at least get something started. This thing heavy now. Oh my goodness. Oh, this bad boy heavy. Yeet. I might need to.
Look to the right.
Huh?
You need. Never mind. Down.
Woo! It's heavy.
Yep.
Woo! Oh, it's heavy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Did I scratch up the paint?
No, sir.
I'm gonna tighten up the main 8 bolts, and then yeah, shoot. it'll be pretty much done. Y'all can see it's brand new. It's just dirty.
This is still hot.
Yeah, it's just dirty. So it's gonna look real good. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up. And we'll get the lights hooked back up. We'll get the lights put in. And we should be good to go, guys. So I might make a whole separate video on the goal. So appreciate y'all watching, appreciate y'all supporting the Silky Smooth Gang Coming crew, and we out. See y'all in the next video.
Peace.
Peace.